The ACLU of Virginia wants to make sure that people are not being abused during COVID-19 when they're arrested and put in jail. The organization has proposed guidelines that it wants Governor Northam to adopt as an executive order for every municipality in the Commonwealth. 10 on your side's Chris Horne has more on the ACLU's concerns and spoke with two Hampton Roads sheriffs.
The ACLU wants statewide guidelines about who gets arrested, who gets released, and how they're treated while they're in jail. Sheriffs we talked to say they welcome the guidelines, but they also say they're doing most of these procedures already. The head of the ACLU of Virginia says now is no time for crowded jails.
No one right now should be in jail who is not yet convicted of anything. In other words, they're awaiting trial, and unless there's a clear evidence that they're a danger to another person.
The group also wants anyone with 90 days or less left on their sentence to be released if they're nonviolent. Norfolk Sheriff Joe Barron says he's doing that with people who have 6 months or less.
To go ahead and seek, a new court order to get them released as time served, or to get them put onto home electronic monitoring.
The Virginia Beach Jail has begun a 14-day rolling quarantine whenever someone is arrested and brought into the jail, and it's cutting daily admissions from about 40 down to 10.
I think we're at a stage now for we have enough room where we can do the quarantine and make sure people don't come into jail. In fact, I think this is probably one of the safest places to be in Virginia Beach right now.
Stawley says he has already released 176 prisoners who weren't a threat and no longer needed to be incarcerated. The head of the ACLU feels that Northam will listen to their proposals.
The governor is a doctor, and he certainly is a person who acts based on science and medical evidence, and that is a comforting reality for us.
The sheriffs say they're also suspending their weekend programs and doing continuous cleanings. Releasing prisoners is a judgment call involving sheriffs, city police, magistrates, and the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office. Sheriff Barron gave us this example over the weekend. It was a third offense larceny arrest, which would normally be a felony, but magistrate determined that this person was not violent, so they were released. Chris Horne, 10 on your side.